At hello mga 3 to 5 natin dyan. It's me again, 3 to 5 viewers vlog, Laredo Official. It's May 29, 2024. Ang bilis ng panahon mga 3 to 5. Ilang days na lang, June na. Magkakalahati na yung taon. Salamat pala sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa atin dyan mga 3 to 5. At papasok na naman tayo. Wednesday na naman mga 3 to 5, diba? At gusto ko lang i-flex pala yung views natin dun sa isang reels is 10,000 na siya mga ka-3 yung day off nung Sabado. Yeah. At salamat pala kay Nep TV sa pag-share. Dahil sa kanya is naka-reach tayo ng 10,000 views mga ka-3 So kulang lang pala tayo ng share dyan mga ka-3 kung may mga oras kayo sa mga nanonood sa atin, pwede nyo i-share yung video nito kung nagugustuhan nyo ang ating pag-influence at pag-inspire sa mga tao dyan para sumipag sa buhay nila mga 325. At kung napapansin nyo is paubos na yung gas natin dyan, bukas na ako paparefill mga 325. Yun lang, ganun pa rin mga 325 tuloy-tuloy pa rin ating pag-vlog at pag-upload araw-araw. Basta sisipagin lang natin na araw-araw mga 325 para sa kinabukasan ng ating bayan. Yeah. At ayan, siyempre lagi tayong pang umaga mga ka-325 at lagi rin tayong maagang pumapasok mga ka-325. Yeah. Basta sabi nga, lahat ng pangarap natin i-focus lang natin mga ka-325. And then pagdating ng panahon isa, maabot din natin yan mga ka-325. Yeah. And then next month baka may surprise ako sa aking mga followers ang laging nagsishare dyan at saka nag-like ng aking mga videos. Although rising star pa lang tayo, yung hindi pa nakakapag-follow dyan, follow nyo ako sa aking Facebook at saka YouTube. Alam nyo na yun, yan nakalagay dyan sa banner mga ka-325, diba? Then basta surprise yung gagawin natin sa sa mga followers natin mga ka-325. Pinag-iipon ko kayo kung akala nyo lang mga ka-325. Yeah. Maraming salamat sa inyo laging panonood sa akin mga ka-325. Basta sabi ko nga sipagin mo lang, araw-araw pumasok ka lang. At the same time nag-iipon ka para sa ating kinabukasan. Sabi nga mga 325 dahil lahat ng pangarap natin hindi natin nakukuha sa mabilisan yan, kunin natin sa mabagalan. Hindi natin makukuha sa isang minuto, sa isang oras, sa isang araw, sa isang buwan, sa isang taon. 3 to 5 years from now mga 3 to 5 dapat lagi tayo may mga resulta sa lahat ng ating mga ginagawa. Yeah. Ingat kayong lahat mga 3 to 5. Enjoy watching. Bye-bye.
Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack. Fast, fatal, hard impact. Past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back up my actions. Fact, don't ask. Grab reactions. Jacked attack with every word. Then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused. Call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose. Pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me to a new abuse of being used. Everybody wants a piece now. Y'all can rest in peace now. You're dead to me, so peace out. Remember, you're discreet out. Get ready for defeat. now. I'm gonna make you bleed out. Listen on repeat now and read out all the weak now. Get up and make a change. Don't remember yesterday. If you got something to say, speak your mind before your grave. Cause your life is yours to save. Ain't nobody gonna change. Everybody stays the same. So be different, make a name, huh?
I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. Till it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer, till it's over.
It's ridiculous, I'm spitting this meticulous and limitless. While others out there spitting shit got hits up on the charts and I see why other artists quit, cause people don't reward your shit. They love to hate but hate to live. Society, you swing and miss. And honestly, I get it. Promise me you won't regret it. Wasting energy, forget it. Don't look back, go on and get it. Bite the bullet just a bit. Bite your tongue and don't say shit. Make your actions hard to miss. Be a legend, not a myth. Yeah. It's obnoxious that I'm conscious. Rapping honest as promise. Try to harness. As an artist, stay modest. It's a long quest. I will not quit till 10,000 people going off when I drop this. I gotta make it now. Swear to God I'm breaking out. Swear to God I'll think about center stage with the crowd. Cause I got it figured out. I'm just honest and I'm loud. Say I'm modest but I'm proud. No, I never had a doubt. Yeah.
I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. Marching till it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. Marching till it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated. But she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah.
She got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. When you're undressed, I heard you like to get away. I heard
heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions.
She's got a body like a cold thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me.